Today's featured car of the day is a 1970 Chevrolet Monte Carlo. And this is the first year for the Monte Carlos, 1970. This particular one I photographed at a local car show in Weatherford, Oklahoma, which was right off the 40 freeway there. And it was a good-looking car. The one that had two of them there, actually, which was surprising for a show in a small town, which I think there are only about 12,000 people there in Weatherford, Oklahoma. But anyway, it looked like people had this car and the 1972 Buick Electra that's next to it. But both nice cars. But anyway, as far as the Monte Carlos go, like I mentioned, 1970 was the first year. So it's the first generation Monte Carlos, which were 1970, 1971, and 1972. And in 1970, they built 142,153 of the sport coupes, and they made 3,823 of the SS 454 models with the 454 big block, for a total production of 145,976. And this car is actually one of the rarer ones because it has the 400 engine in it instead of the 350, which was the base motor. And the 400, they made 16,595. As far as 1971, they made 126,681 sport coupes and 1,919 SS 454s for total production of 128,600. And then in 1972, they made 180,819 and no SS 454s. That was discontinued for 72. But they did make 1,268 454s. They just didn't have the SS version anymore. That's the way you got a big block in 1972. Quite a few of the cars out there yet. They were very well-made cars. I've owned 4 or 5 of them myself over the years, including an SS 454, a 1970 version. And they were nice cars. Basically shared some stuff with the Chevelle. It was stretched wheelbase, 116-inch wheelbase, I believe. And they shared the firewall and the windshield and the back window, and I think the deck lid with the Chevelle in Malibu for 1970. But anyway, that's today's featured car of the day, 1970 Chevy Monte Carlo. If you made it to the end of the video, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Share the video with a friend and share my channel Car Finder with a friend, or put it on your group page if you have one. I would appreciate it. Thanks very much, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.